Hey guys, happy Tuesday. Today is July 28th. It's 9:25. Market opens in 5 minutes. Let's see. I really don't like where price is right now. It's at this daily demand zone. So we did get that break of the key level. We did get the break of the trend line. It did tap into the zone. So that is everything that we wanted to see. From this point, price could either come back up and then come back down, or price can just go back up. Anything could really happen, or price can continue breaking this trend line. We do have another level here. It's just a matter of what price wants to do. Let's go down to the 4-hour. So on the 4-hour, like I said, yeah, we got that tap into the zone. Price pulled back, continued down, created a lower low. Price is tapping back into this 4-hour zone. It closed outside, and by 10 o'clock, we'll know if it completely closed outside again. That could indicate us continuing down. So that looks promising for sales. So the bias I could definitely go for is sales, but we do have a trend line here, so it could bounce as well. I don't like having like 100%. Let me not say that. I do not want anybody getting my words twisted. Yeah, price hasn't made any higher highs. On the 1-hour, price is stuck in this zone. These candles did push out, push lower. My bad. These candles did push lower. It came out of this zone. So if we did, for the sake of it, want to put a zone here, it did come out of this zone. We are stuck in this zone. So maybe that's what I would want to see first. I would want to see price push out of the zone. And it looks like that's what we're getting right now. That's exciting. If we can get this close outside the zone, let me send it to the thing. If we can get a candle to close outside of the zone, which obviously on the hour, the candle that wouldn't close until 10. Yeah, the candle won't close till 10, so we still have 30 minutes on that candle. I don't like how this looks with all these... I mean, technically... Okay, that's too much. This too much. Okay. What I would want to see is price break the structure. We just need a whole new breaker structure, honestly. If we can get a whole new breaker structure, we can start there, because it's just too much going on in that area. Let's just start over. If price can break the structure, break this trend line, retest, if price can break the structure, break the trend line, I'll be more inclined for sales. That seems a lot better. The price need to indicate that it wants to continue pushing lower. So let's just wait for that, because all the other stuff was just too much. Because then we got this zone here. We got a zone up here, somewhere that haven't been touched on the 1 hour, somewhere here. So yeah, let's just see what price wants to do. It did break this structure. It is tapping back into this zone, or could potentially, or could not, on the 5 minute, because it did break this minor breaker structure here. That could also be a trade though, because we do have lower lows. Price is creating lower lows. Yeah, it didn't touch, so whatever. Let's go to the 1 minute. Golly, that was beautiful. Yeah, so we did get that breaker structure, the minor breaker structure. And the sales continue. Let me go get my stuff set up. Jeez. Let me get my stuff ready. If price can break even here, this will be a minor breaker structure. I would get in for sure. It's not a zone just yet. It needs to break the structure. It needs to push below this candle here. About to hit this trend line, so let's see. It can hit, come back and tap, and I'll still get in. I'm getting aggressive. Price moving aggressively. I'm in. I'm as in. This zone is pretty big. It's really not. Aim for my 101. But really, I'll be leaving money on the table, so I want to see where price could really go. Let's zoom out. Zoom out some more. Well, let me look, because price moving mad aggressive. Price moving. We at the 101 already, y'all. I didn't even get to see. Okay, 1 to 2. That was one candle. My bad, y'all. Hold on. It's too much going on. 1 to 2. That was the breaker structure right there. That was the breaker structure. So we just got the breaker structure. One to 3. 1 to 3. Hold on.
What?
I'm in the trade.
Okay, I'll bring you clear. Okay?
I'm about to hop out. I'm hopping out. I'm hopping out. Wow. That was a beautiful trading day. We out of there. We done for the day. It's only 9:43. Anyways, we're done for the day, y'all. We took a quick little 1-minute trade. We were waiting for the breaker structure. Okay, cool. So let's recap the trade real quick. So price was pushing down. It had mini breaker structures or minor breaker structures. That's all I really needed was a minor breaker structure. And then on the 1 minute, we had the minor breaker structures as well. Here. So once price broke this structure here, which was a minor, this candle broke structure. It pushed out of this zone here. This candle broke the structure. It came out of this zone here. So that's why I have this 1 minute supply zone here. Once price came back in top, because price was already moving so aggressively, I got in aggressive. And I aimed for a 1 to 3. And that's today's trade. No, well, not really. I got out at 2.7. But We are done for the day, y'all. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.